Say Selenium class 11, input and output operations and file handling in Java. Say in this chapter, we are going to discuss three topics: input and output operations. Next, file handling in Java. Next, this third topic not related to first two topics. This is separate topic and important topic: exception handling in Java. Exception handling in Java. First I am taking input and output operations. Input and output operations. Say there are three ways available for reading input in Java. There are three ways. See, there are three ways available for reading input. Have any idea, Madhavi? Three possibilities available in Java for reading input. Okay, first using scanner class, built-in class. Using scanner or data input stream, data input stream. Next, buffered reader. Buffered reader. See, out of these three possibilities, scanner is important and it has data validation facility also. We will discuss scanner class. See, using Java util scanner. Java using Java util scanner is the easier way, and it includes many methods to check input data. Easier way, and it includes many methods to check input. Is valid to read. Abzar Rahman, what is this scanner?
Scanner is one way available.
Say Java is project, util is package, scanner is class. Good. See, I will show the example. Concentrate. See, launch Eclipse IDE, main method, public static void main, string square brackets args, open curly braces. Okay. See, first create scanner object. Scanner object. Scanner scan. See, this scan is object name. You can use any meaningful name. Scanner scan equal to new scanner of system dot in. System dot in. Semicolon. The system dot in semicolon. System dot in is an input stream. Input stream. What is stream? A stream can be defined as a sequence of data. A stream can be defined as a sequence of data. Next, see, it is showing a red marking. See, first we have to import. This is not built in. Scanner class is not built in. We need to import a scanner class from java.util package. See, import. Okay. Next, display statement. System dot out dot println of, suppose enter your name. Enter your name. Next, read the name using input devices. Name is string type data. String, suppose name equal to scan dot next line. Type n, select next line method. Next, you can display this one. Control space, enter. Message optional. Your name is concatenate name. Run the program. See, enter your name. See, it is displaying name. Just a minute. Instead of next line, you try to use just next method. Observe Rahman. What will happen? Just a minute. What is the problem? Just a minute. Run the program. Enter your name. What happened, Rahman, if we use next method instead of next line method?
So it's only retrieve G, but
Only one word.
first, yeah.
Only one word. Suppose if we use next line method, you can enter multiple words also. Multiple
Okay.
words. Observe, just a minute. Suppose single word without space. Now it is showing now.
Yes, sir.
See here, next line method is sufficient. Next, enter your city. Enter your city. Read city. City also string. String type data. String city equal to scan dot. For city, you can use just next method. Next. Scan dot next. Next, display. Enter your city is concatenate city. Next, enter a number, integer. Enter a number. Just a minute. Enter a number. Next, read number. Suppose int num equal to scan dot type n, select next int, semicolon. Next, display. See, your number is concatenate num. Just execute this program. Enter name, string type data, multiple words. Next, enter city, string type data, single word. Next, enter number 1, 2, 3, integer type data. Okay na? Srivalli,
Sir.
observe the output console. Just a minute. First to make it as a comment, block comment, source, add block comment. Next, run this third one. Run. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit value. Enter. Why it is showing error, Srivalli?
Integer range out of range.
Out of range. Here, Madhavi, can you tell me how to handle this type of data?
Error handling.
No. Error handling not required. Madhavi.
I don't know, sir.
See, Long integer. For long integer, you can use long data type na. See, long data type is there na.
Yes, sir.
Long num. Suppose leave it this one int only for small numbers. Next, one more reading statement. Enter a mobile number. Enter a mobile number. Your mobile number is see instead of int write long. A method also next long. Suppose num2.
Sir,
Ah,
I have a question.
ah.
Sir, only for integer, do we need to just mention next integer, and for character, we don't need to mention that? It is character, next character, or something like that?
Where is next character? Where is character? I didn't read character na.
No, you read the string, right?
String is different,
In
character
GT,
is different.
sorry, I mean to say string.
String just next line. See,
Okay.
these are built-in methods. We cannot argue that names built-in methods names standard.
Okay.
We cannot argue that names, and we can't change the names also. For example, this can observe selected one. This is built-in or user defined?
It is built in.
Built-in. Sri Lakshmi, selected one, scan. Is it built-in keyword or user defined keyword?
It's a built-in, right, sir?
Built-in. Already I rejected that answer. User defined. See, here I created this one. Say observe, scan. Here instead of scan I can use ABCD. This is user defined. For example, this next line method, built-in. Next method, built-in. Next int, next long. All are built-in methods only. Okay na, Preeti? Respond quickly. Any confusion, ask me.
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay, cool. Now run the program. Suppose enter number 1, 2, 3. It is displaying enter mobile number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it is displaying. It is long integer. Long integer. Next, read double or float. Float double. Say.
A question, sir.
Ah.
This is Kamala.
Ah.
So we created user-defined methods, right, sir?
Not method.
Object.
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 In built-in class. We created object in the built-in class.
The built-in class.
Built-in class. Object name. Object name local. You can use any name. Instead of scan, you can use XYZ. But methods, method names standard, fixed. Okay na?
Yes, sir. So user-defined object dot method, right, sir?
Yes, object dot method.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, it is not. See, actually, it is not pure user defined. We created object. Okay, user defined. We created object in built-in class. Suppose if you create object in your own class, that class created by you. Suppose this class, IO operations class created by me. If I create any object in this class, that is user defined object. Actually, this is not pure user defined object. We created object, but in user defined class, built-in class,
Yes, sir.
built-in class only. Next, read double type data, decimal point values. Suppose enter a value, suppose num3, double type data, next double, it is showing error. Observe Kamala, why it is showing error?
Maybe that built-in method is not right, sir. Scan dot.
UUBLE, next double, data type double.
Yes, sir. Scan dot.
Scan dot, next double.
Okay.
Just a minute. Next double, okay. Then what is the problem? Observe Madhavi.
Braces, sir. Braces.
Yeah.
Curly braces.
Array.
Where?
You use the curly braces before this statement.
Yeah.
System.out.print, and before you put curly braces, you are not supposed to put, because the chaos is closing.
Where? In
yeah, just 25th line.
25th.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes.
Remove this. Mm-hmm.
Yes. That's why object not showing.
Mm-hmm.
Now, okay. I closed that main method. Say double. Suppose your value is any meaningful message, num3. Next, read character type data. This is some different. Observe Preeti, read character type data. Enter a character. See data type, char, suppose A, variable name A. Here, next, just a minute. Next, under this method, char at index 0. What is 0? I will explain. See, your char is A. Just a minute. Comment this one. Run the program. See, enter a character A. Your character is A. Next, once again, suppose ABCD. Observe Preeti, ABCD. It is reading first letter only, na? Character data type means single character only. Now we used index 0. 0th means 0 position is first one. Suppose if you want to read second one, suppose 1. Suppose ABCD. What is the output, Madhavi?
B, sir.
B. Understand this concept, Kamala? Index?
Yes, sir. 0 to n minus 1.
Now here forget about n. See 0 means it will read first character.
Yes, sir.
1 means second character.
Second.
A single character only. Next,
Yes.
Boolean type data. Boolean type data. Suppose enter a value. Suppose val. Next Boolean. Just a minute.
Double. We need
Pardon?
data type double is wrong, right, sir?
Yes. Boolean. Now read just a minute. Run. Enter a value. Suppose true. True. Suppose false. False. Suppose other than true or false, it will show exception. Exception. Now remove this one. Uncomment. Remove block comment. Now execute all. Remove block comment. See, enter a name. Next city. Next number. Next mobile number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, enter a value. What type of value that one? Boolean value. Suppose 1, 2.3456. Double value. Next, enter a character Z. Next, enter a value true. Okay na Rahman? We covered maximum data types na?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. See, this is about reading input using scanner class. Next, displaying output. You already know using system.out.println statement you can display. Just I will show a small example. Daily we are using the display statement. One small example. Just a minute. Int a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Int a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Suppose just a message. Welcome to Selenium. This is just a message. Welcome to Selenium. It will display as it is. Next, message with variable value. Message with variable value. Suppose value b is b. This time message with variable value. What is the output, Preeti? What is the output?
20.
Value b is 20. Message with variable value. Value just a minute. Value B is 20. Next, value. Observe Madhavi, I want to display value A is A value. Next, value B is B value. Message with variable value. Next, message with variable value.
Value A is.
Value A is.
Yeah.
Concatenation required na. Value A is plus A.
Value B is.
Directly. Again plus.
Plus.
Again concatenate. Within double quotes. Value B is. Concatenate. Value B. See, output is Kamala. What is the output?
Value A is 10.
Value A is 10.
10. Value B is 20.
Value B is 20. Here you can maintain some space. Run the program. See, welcome to Selenium. Just a message. Next, value B is 20. Message with variable value. Next, message with variable value. Again, message with variable value. So I think all of you familiar with IO operations. Input, reading input and displaying output on the console. Next, one more small topic, file handling in Java. File handling in Java. Say file. See, end user point of view, file, folder, drive, the segregation, drive, folder, file, database, etc. But computer understands things in terms of files only. Computer point of view, everything is file. Drive is file, folder is file, file is file, database also file, database file, correct term. Computer understands things in terms of files only. Computer point of view, folder also file, drive also file, next database also file, database file. See, using file class, we can handle computer files. For example, if you want to handle Excel file, for that file class is not sufficient. Excel has format, tabular format. You need to download Excel jar files, third-party jar files, and you can use Excel files. This file class only for flat files, file which doesn't have any format. Example, Notepad. See, using file class, this is built-in class, we can handle computer files. So I will show some examples. Create a folder. Create a folder. Create a folder.
I have a question, sir. How do we know like all built-in classes? Where can we find like?
So built-in classes, number of classes. You can't get all classes at a time. See, based on your requirement, you can use them.
Yeah, but where to find it? Like, is there any?
Where to find it?
Like all those classes names, if we wanna read it, is there any jar file, anything there
Jar file?
to read built-in classes?
To read built-in classes? Okay.
Like,
See, so many classes available. You cannot get all built-in classes in one place. See, some third parties also adding so many libraries. See, based on your requirement, you have to search for required class. If class available, you can if built-in library available, you can use. Otherwise, you need to create your own. So many available. No segregation. See, Java compiler, Java. Who is the vendor of Java?
Oracle?
Previous vendor Sun Microsystems, present vendor Oracle. See, Oracle provides their built-in libraries list from Oracle site in Java documentation. You can that classes, but some third parties also adding so many built-in libraries. You cannot get all names and functionalities at one place. Suppose JXL is there to handle Excel files. That is not from that is third party jar, not from Oracle. So many people adding third party jar files. We cannot get all jars or all built-in libraries at one place. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Create a folder. Create a folder. See, computer point of view, folder also file only. Okay. Just a minute. Create a folder. Here we need to create object. Create object in file class. Create object in file class. File. Suppose file object. Here you can use any name. You can use your own name. A, B, C, D also. New file of provide the path for storing. Suppose I want to store on desktop. See, forward slashes. It accepts forward slashes. Suppose folder name Selenium, semicolon. Next, observe Preeti, why it is showing a red marking under file.
Do we need to mention the data type over there?
No. Tushar, why it is showing red marking?
Maybe we need to import.
Yes, we need to import file class. It is built-in library only, but we need to import. Import. See, it is showing context help. Import file from IO package. Okay. Next, you can perform operations on this file object. File object dot, suppose type M, make dir. Make dir. Just a minute. Observe on desktop, no Selenium folder. Run the program. Observe Krishna Chaitanya. Selenium folder created na?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Under this folder, manually I am creating one file. Just a minute. Two files. Two files. Run the program. Run the program once again. Selenium folder already available. See, folder available, it won't create, but it is not showing any error also. Is it overwriting or leaving, Madhavi? Suppose if folder not available, then it will create. See, create a folder. Next, check the existence of a folder. See, somebody is making noise. Put mute. All of you put mute. Check the existence. Check the existence of Selenium folder. Selenium folder. Observe. Here, existence, true or false. True or false, Boolean. See, Boolean A equal to file object dot exists. Next, Rahman, write the condition. Check the folder existence. Write the condition, Rahman. Next, Tushar.
If A equal true,
If A within parenthesis A single equal to or double equal to?
double equal to,
Double equal to relational operator. If it is single equal to assignment operator. If A equal to
true,
true, good. If A equal to true, then you can write any meaningful message. Suppose folder exists. Next, else folder not exists. Not exists. Run the program. See, folder exists. Suppose delete this folder. Run the program once again. Folder not exists. Okay, na Srivalli?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is checking the existence of folder. Not only folder, file also. Same syntax. Next, delete a folder. Delete a folder. See, first file object. Next, object dot delete a folder. If exists, otherwise you can directly delete. Delete a folder. Dot type D, delete. Next, run the program. File not available. Folder not available. Suppose Selenium folder already available. Selenium folder exists. Run the program. See, folder deleted. Next, create a text file, means flat file. Create a text file.
Question, sir.
Ah,
How it recognized the Selenium folder to delete it, sir?
see
The
here we
folder name
provided path na.
Okay. Suppose in that path, if we have four, okay, the name of the folder is Selenium.
Ah, yes.
That's right.
Yes.
If it is not Selenium, some other name, it will give some error, sir.
No error. Observe. Just leaving. Observe. EFT folder not exist on desktop. Run the program. Is it showing any error?
Sir.
See, it depends on compiler. This compiler not showing any error.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you can write condition. If so and so, if that folder exists, then delete. First check the existence, then delete. See, create a text file. Suppose uft.txt. Type C. Create new file. See, observe. See, it is asking exception. Safe side, it is asking exception. IO exception. It will generate. Observe on desktop, no UFT file. Run UFT file created. You change the extension. Suppose UFT2. Observe Madhavi. Suppose XLS. Run. Excel file created, but we cannot operate this Excel file. This file object only for flat files. Open this file. Observe Madhavi. Format confliction na.
Yes, sir.
See, using for handling Excel files, you need to download and install third-party jar files that we will discuss in test-ng. This file class only for flat files, text files. Just a minute. Next, delete text file. Delete a text file. See, just file object dot delete. Delete on exist method also there. If exist, you can delete. Observe XLS, no XLS. Suppose uft.text. Run the program. Observe UFT file deleted. See, these are some simple file operations. Excel operation we will discuss in TestNG framework implementation chapter. For that we need to download and install Excel jar files, third-party jar files. Next important topic, exception handling in Java. Exception handling in Java. Say an exception is an event. It occurs during execution of a program when normal execution of the program is interrupted. See, an exception is an event. It occurs during execution of a program. It occurs during execution of a program. Execution of a program when normal execution of the program is interrupted. When normal execution of the program is interrupted. See, exception handling is mechanism to handle exceptions. Exception handling is a mechanism to handle exceptions. See, common scenarios where exceptions may occur. See, common. I will provide some common scenarios with example. Common scenarios where exceptions may occur. Where exceptions may occur. See, first one, here no sequence, all are independent scenarios only. First one, scenario where arithmetic exception occurs. Scenario where arithmetic, just a minute, arithmetic exception occurs. Scenario where arithmetic exception occurs. Suppose if we divide any number by 0, their arithmetic exception. Observe Sri Lakshmi. Something by 0. What is the output?
0, sir.
Something by 0, 0. Rahman, something by 0.
I don't know, sir.
Krishna Chaitanya, something by 0. Suppose 10 by 0.
Infinity.
Infinity. So exception required. Infinity. No correct output. Infinity. Suppose 10 by 2, 5. 10 by 0, infinity. See, if we divide any number by 0, then arithmetic exception occurs. Arithmetic exception occurs. See, example, int a equal to 10, int a equal to 10. Otherwise, int a equal to 10 by 0. Here, arithmetic exception. This is one scenario. How to handle, I will show. Next, scenario where null pointer exception occurs. Scenario where null pointer exception occurs. What is null, Kamala? Null means
No value.
no value.
Zero.
No value. Suppose if we have a null value in any variable, performing operations on performing any operation by the variable leads to null pointer exception. Suppose if we have null, no value, if we have null means no value in if we have no value in any variable, next performing any operation by the variable, performing any operation by the variable leads to null pointer exception. For example, string s equal to null, s equal to null. If you try to perform any operation on that string, suppose system dot out dot println of s, suppose string is s dot length, then it will show null pointer exception. Next, Madhavi, any other scenarios? Arithmetic exception, null pointer exception. Next, scenario where number format exception occurs. Scenario where number format exception occurs. Say the wrong formatting of any value may occur number format exception, wrong formatting, of any value may occur number format exception, the wrong formatting of any value. See example, string s equal to within double quotes ABC. Suppose I want to convert this value. When conversion is required, I will explain. See int a equal to conversion integer dot parseInt of string yes. See if you try to display this one, just a minute. Y, then you can get number format exception. Observe Kamala, here what we are doing, we are going to we are converting the integer data to string type data to integer. Converting string type data to integer. But inside, what is the value? ABC. Number. ABC, alphabets na, not number na.
Yes, sir.
We cannot convert this one. If you try to convert alphabets, then number format exception. Suppose, observe, if it is 1, 2, 3. This time no number format exception na.
Yes, sir.
Why? That string having all are numeric values only. And one more thing, important one, I think Madhavi can answer it. Madhavi, first of all, when conversion is required, when we need to convert the data, Madhavi. Madhavi not responding. Pardon?
I don't know.
You don't know? See, this is common operation in all programming languages, not only in Java. Krishna Chaitanya, why we need to convert the data, or when we need to convert the data? Data conversion is required. When it is required?
To do mathematical operations?
To do mathematical operations. Okay, partial answer. Rahman, when we need to convert the data? Okay. Sri Lakshmi, have any idea when we need to convert the data in computer programming? Kamala?
I don't know.
Okay, cool. Say, whenever we read data, then conversion is required. Reading time, computer program considers the data as string type data only. Even though you read numbers, computer program considers the data as string type data. In order to perform mathematical calculations, you need to convert the data. but we cannot convert alphabets. We can convert numbers only. If you read numbers, then you can convert. Suppose I am reading value 1, value 2 from input devices or some files. Reading from files or reading using input devices. Value 1, value 2 reading, but numbers only. If you read data, then it considers the data as string type data. In order to perform mathematical calculations, we need to convert the data. Okay na Madhavi, okay na Preeti, any confusion?
Can you please give the example, sir?
Example, read data, just a minute. Read data, suppose scanner equal to scanner, suppose ABC, you can use scan or ABC. New scanner, no double quotes, system.in, read string type data, suppose string S1 equal to ABC dot next string S2 equal to ABC dot next. Suppose mathematical operation S1 plus S2. Read data. Observe Preeti. Why it is not reading? Observe Kamala. What is the problem? Why it is not reading? ABC. They are using ABC only, na?
Sir, ABC.
It is showing this one. Not not in use. It is not accepting ABC. Suppose run new scanner. Any syntax error observe? Already we used now that one scanner object. New scanner system in.
Have to read it, right, sir? System dot out.
Just a minute. System dot not out. Reading only na. Scanner already imported. Why it is not show? Why it is?
So it should be next line method.
Okay, next method also scan never closed. Okay, closing. In the first example, I didn't use this close. Observe, Preeti, what is this close statement? Releasing the memory. If you create any object, it occupies some memory. After using that object, close the object. That is standard. Now run the program. Still, what is the problem? Suppose string S1, just a minute. String S1. Write corresponding display. Read, suppose two numbers. Ten, 20. See, first output statement required. Did you observe that one, Tushar?
Yes, sir.
Display statement. Observe, Preeti.
Yes, sir.
You comment this one, run this one. Output console not showing na. In order
Yes,
to
sir.
open that output console, you write one display statement. Read two numbers. Suppose 10, 20. My operation is S1 plus S2. What is the expected output, Preeti?
30.
30. What it is showing? 10, 20.
10.
Concatenating. Why? Strings. It is considering reading time. Program considers the data as string type data. That's why it is concatenating. Suppose if you want to perform mathematical calculations, you need to convert the data. Convert into integer. Suppose int a equal to what is the syntax? Integer dot parseInt of string. String is S1. Next, B, S2. Now you can use these AB values. After conversion, we are storing into another variable. Run, read two numbers, 10, 20. Observe, Preeti. Now converted na data.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand this concept? Where conversion
Yes,
is required?
Yes, sir.
Where conversion is required? Whenever we read data, then conversion is required, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you read alphabets, you cannot convert. Only numbers can be converted. Next, one more scenario. Scenario where array index out of bounds exception occurs. See, scenario. Kamala, did you
Excuse me,
understand?
sir. Integer dot parseInt. What is that, sir?
Built-in. That is built-in object and method.
Okay.
For converting string type data into integer type, string type data to integer type. That is built in.
Built.
Built in. Parseint is method, integer is object.
Okay. Thank you.
Understand that concept, conversion concept?
Sir, I understood.
If you suppose without conversion, if you read numbers, it will concatenate. See scenario where array index out of bounds exception occurs. Suppose if we insert any value in the wrong index, then array index out of bounds exception. If we insert any value in the wrong index array, observe example, int square brackets a equal to new int square brackets, suppose 5, size 5, or you can say length 5, length of that array is 5. Next, suppose a of 100 equal to some 123. Observe Rahman, is it correct index or wrong index?
Should look like wrong index.
Wrong index. As per declaration, length 5 only. If you try
Yes,
to
sir.
print this value, just a minute. System out dot println of a of 100, then array index out of bounds exception. Okay, how to handle exceptions, I will show example. Before that, tell me Sri Lakshmi, I explained 4 common exceptions. What are they? Just exception names. Sri Lakshmi. Common scenarios where exceptions may occur. Srivalli.
Arithmetic exception.
Arithmetic exception.
Null pointer exception. Number format exception. Array index out of bound exception.
Good. See, I will show an example. Observe. Say int a equal to some 10. Int b equal to 0. Int a, here space is optional. Int a equal to 10, int b equal to 0. Next, one more variable, int result equal to, what is the problem, Sri Lakshmi? Okay, int result equal to a by b, semicolon. You try to display. Suppose a result. Just a minute. 10 by 2. It will show correct output. Just a minute. Some more outputs also. Hello, Java. Next. Hello, Selenium. Observe, Tushar, how many outputs are there in this example?
It's 3.
3. Run the program. See, first output 5, second output hello Java, last output hello Selenium. Suppose B value 0, exception, 10 by 0 infinity, exception. Then program execution will be interrupted. Suppose first output, problem in first output, but it won't show second and third outputs, remaining outputs, interruption. Run the program. Observe Srivalli, problem in first output, but it is not showing second and third outputs also na.
Yes, sir.
If you write exception for first output, then you can get second and third outputs. Here exception is required. See, this is without exception. See this code without exception. Next, in this scenario, use try block. Use try block. Try catch block. Syntax. Syntax. Try, open curly braces, it is block, statements, one or more. Next, close curly braces, catch, within parenthesis, exception, exception. Next, exception name. Exception name. You can use any meaningful name. Open curly braces. Next, exception. Handling code. Close curly braces. You apply that one. This is arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception. Try, open curly braces, close curly braces, catch, write exception code. This is arithmetic exception. Before that, within parenthesis, arithmetic exception. Say it is reserved word. See, change it to arithmetic exception. This exception available in Java lang package. Why it is showing? What is the problem? Arithmetic exception.
Spell, sir. Arithmetic.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Spelling mistake. ARITHME metic. THME TIC exception. Spelling mistake. No mistake. You need to complete the syntax. Spelling okay. Next, see divided by divided by 0 error. Any meaningful message you can write. See problem in first output. We provided a exception handling. It will show second and third outputs. Execution. It will continue the execution. Observe Srivalli. First output exception, but it is showing remaining outputs na.
Yes, sir.
Earlier no output. Suppose 10 by 2. Run. Observe here no exception. See we used exception, but no need to use the exception during execution. Why? 10 by 2 value is not exception 5. Suppose 10 by 0. Run the program. This time exception and remaining outputs. And you can write multiple try catch blocks also. Multiple try catch blocks. Multiple. Suppose 2 exceptions. Suppose int ABC equal to new int suppose 4. New int 4. Here int not int, what is that one? Array ABC 30 equal to some 200. No syntax error. ABC of 30. Wrong index. Run the program. Say first exception, next second output. In this scenario 4 outputs, but in third output exception required. No fourth output. Observe Preeti, no fourth output na.
Yes,
Just a minute. 4 outputs in this scenario. Suppose 10 by 2. Here also not wrong index. Then it will show all outputs. Observe all outputs. Why still? Where is the problem? Observe Kamala.
ABC of 30 in system out.println. You need to write.
Okay. This one. Run the program. See 4 outputs. 5 hello Java, 200 hello Selenium. Suppose see first output in this statements problem. See exception divided by 0 error. It is showing remaining 3 outputs. Suppose in third output also error. For example, 30. See, it's not showing fourth output. Here exception required. What type of exception? Krishna Chaitanya. What type of exception?
Array index out of bounds.
Yes,
Exception.
array index out of bounds. Here. Try. Catch. Open parenthesis. Index array. Array index out of bounds. Suppose exception 2. Open curly braces. Just write any meaningful message. What is the problem? See. Control space enter. Array. Any meaningful message. Out of bounds. Array index. Out of bounds error. Run the program. Now first exception, second output, third one exception, last output. Okay na? Raham, Preeti.
Yes, sir.
Kamala here.
Tell me, Kamala.
I didn't understand array index out of bound exception E2.
E2, that is just name. You can use any name. Suppose E already we used na.
Okay.
You can use same also.
Okay. So is it mandatory to use that E or E2, sir?
Any one. Just a minute. Now second time also I used E. Name.
Okay. Some name.
Just a minute. You remove that you remove that one. Error
Yes,
na.
sir. Yeah.
Syntax error. Suppose A also error. B. E.
Oh, we have to use the letter E.
E only. Next,
Okay.
capital E. Capital E also accepting?
Yes.
No, sir. Before A and B we are using as a variables, we can use any other
Pardon?
variable, right? Like D. We got error before we created A and B variables. Otherwise we can use D, F, anything. Right?
Just a minute. Already we used that keyword, na? Good. Suppose C. Yes. Anything. Who is telling?
Srivalli.
Yes, correct. Suppose D. E1, E2 also you can use, already used na? Run. Okay. Observe Kamala, you can use any name, but except
A and B.
A and B in this scenario, A and B, ABC. Why? We already used that one. We already used those names for declaring variables. You can use any other names.
Other than A and B.
Other than ABC also, I think. Suppose ABC. Yes, ABC array declared na.
Yeah.
See, in this program 3 declarations, A, B and ABC. Other than these 3 names, you can use any other.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, I have a question. Is this arithmetic exception, is it a class? We are declaring an object for that?
No, it is not class.
It's not inbuilt class or anything?
Yes, class, arithmetic exception. Observe, java.long.arithmetic exception. Available in lang package. You can directly use that one, arithmetic exception.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, we will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.